Well, receipts, timelines, screenshots, fucking everything. The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City were mentioned today in the Kouri Richins aggravated murder trial. Also mentioned were her Google searches, which included things like luxury prisons for the rich in America, which is relevant to what I just said. And if someone is poisoned, what does it go down on the death certificate as? We also saw quite a lot of text messages, phone records, location data. So actually, timeline, screenshots, receipts. But before the bravo of it all popped off, we heard from Kouri Richins' deceased husband, the victim in this case, Eric Richins, business partner's wife. I know, stay with me. They all used to vacation together, and on a vacation in 2019, she shared a conversation that she and Kouri had that was quite interesting. In the time she and Kouri were talking on that vacation, Kouri indicated she felt trapped in her marriage, that she knew that the prenuptial agreement meant that she wouldn't get much if she got divorced, and that she was unhappy and got her master's degree and was building her business seemingly to get out of the marriage. But Kouri knew what was in the prenup. Kouri knew that Eric's life would go on fairly normal if they got divorced, but hers would be greatly impacted. And she was afraid about how it would seem socially if they got divorced and if the kids would prefer being with their father and his family and their life. And so there was a lot of concern, and the witness said she felt a lot of empathy for Kouri. I wonder if that changed after cross-examination, because Kouri did not have very friendly faces for this witness, and the defense had some very tough questions for her. I wonder if we're going to see the husband testify tomorrow. Oh, and there was another note from the jury because one of the jurors knew one of the witnesses, but they hadn't just recognized by name. But once the witness took the stand, they're like, oh, I know them. And that person engaged in a real estate transaction with regard to the juror's work. And it sounds like there will be a voir dire of that juror to see if that juror will be removed from the jury or if that juror will go forward, and it won't be a big deal. But that's going to be taken up, it sounds like, tomorrow. Day 6. And it was a packed day today. It was a lot of testimony and a lot of new information, and then a whole lot of tech. Great exhibits, whole lot of tech. And if you don't want to miss all the biggest moments in court, get the Law Nerd app. We send you notifications when the witnesses you can't miss take the stand, and I have a feeling there will be more reveals as we go. Remember, this trial is supposed to go through March 26th, so we got a long way to go.